Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today myself Sanila Munshi is going to explain you lesson number 1 and 2 of standard 7. The name of the first chapter is Prahelika. Prahelika, that means riddle or puzzle. Related to this chapter, some of the word I have written on the meaning I have written on the board. See, Vruksha Agravashi, that means one who live on the top of the tree. Second, Pakshi Rajah, the king of the bird. So all of you know that who is the king of the bird? Yes, an eagle. Shulpani, one having a trident that means Trishul in the hand. So we all know that who is having a Trishul in his hand? Yes, he is Lord Shankara. Tvagvastradhari, one having cloth of skin, जिसने skin के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं. Bibranna, having. Dehvi Varjita, without body. Jatmatra, immediately after birth. Marjari, that means cat. Jihva, that means tongue. Pachabhatri, 5 husbands. Sila, that means stone. Padaha, that means leg. Kataraha, that means covered. Gunashyoti Shamruddha Api, full of virtues. And the last one is Karinam of the elephant. So here we have completed our whole meaning. Now I am going to explain you our first chapter, Prahelika, means riddle. First of all I will read full chapter. Vrukshagravasi na cha pakshi rajah, Trinetradhari na cha shulpani, Tvagvastradhari na cha siddha yogi, Jalam cha bibranna ghato na megah. This one is first one. Second is Narinari samutpanna, Sa stri devi varjita, Amukhi kurute shabdam, Jata matra vinashyati. Third one is Krishnamukhi na marjari, Dvijihva na cha sharpini, Pachabhatri na pachali, Yojanati shah panditah. Fourth one, Dantirhina shila bhakshi, Nirjivo bahubhashakah, Gunashyoti Shamruddhopi Parpaden Gachati. And fifth one, Kasturi Jayate Kashmat Kohanti Karinam Kulam, Kim Kuryat Kataro Yuddhe Mrugat Shiha Palayanam. Now I am starting from first. Now first Prahelika, first riddle is Vrukshagravasi na cha pakshi rajah, lives at the top of the tree, but it is not an eagle. Trinetradhari na cha shulpani, he has 3 eyes but is not the holder of the trident, Lord Shankara. Tvagvastradhari na cha siddha yogi, he wears a skin as clothes but is not enlightened ascending, मतलब सिद्ध योगी साधु संत जो होते हैं वो. जलम च बिभ्रन्न घटो न मेघ, he holds water but is not pot or not a cloud. So what is the answer? The answer is a coconut. A coconut like Vrukshagravasi na cha pakshi raja, a coconut lives on the tree but it is not a king of the birds. Trinetradhari, you have seen the coconut, that the coconut is having 3 eyes. Trinetradhari na cha shulpani, but not a holder of the trident. Tvagvastradhari is we are seeing that skin of the coconut, its own skin, wears clothes like that. And the Jalam cha bibranna ghato na megha, holding water, but it is not a pot, not a cloud. So what is it? It is a coconut. Second one, Amukhi kurute shabdam jhat matra vinashyati, Krishnamukhi na marjari, again second one, Naranari samutpanna, सा स्त्री देहविवर्जिता अमुखी कुरुते शब्दम जातमात्रा विनश्यति. This woman is produced from the man and woman both. नर नारी समुत्पन्ना. सा स्त्री देहवर्जिता. सा स्त्री देहवर्जिता but still is without body, without a mouth. She makes the sound, is destroyed as soon as he borns. जैसे उसका जन्म होता है वो उसका मृत्यु हो जाता है. नर नारी समुत्पन्ना, produced from the man and woman both. सा स्त्री देवी वर्जिता but still without a body, is not having body. अमुखी कुरुते शब्दम जात मात्रा, without a mouth she makes a sound. जात मात्रा विनश्यति and is destroyed as soon as she born. So here answer is either snap of the finger, this one, and other clap. This clap is also feminine gender and this snap is also feminine gender. Men and women both can do it. It's not having body. When it's born, directly it's died. So here we can say the woman created from a man and the woman, but still without a body, without a mouth. She makes a sound. It's not having mouth, then also it's make a sound, and it destroy as soon as she born. So it is a snap of finger or clap. Now third one is कृष्णमुखी न मार्जारी, द्विजीवा न च सर्पिणी, पच्चभर्ती न पांचाली, यो जानीति सह पंडित. कृष्णमुखी, ब्लैक फेस, न च मार्जारी, बट नॉट अ कैट, बट कैट नहीं है. द्विजीवा, इट इज हैविंग टू टंग. न च सर्पिणी, बट नॉट अ फीमेल स्नेक. टू टंग बट नॉट अ फीमेल स्नेक. पच्चभर्त्री, पांचाली, द्रौपदी. पच्चभर्त्री न पांचाली, शी इज हैविंग 5 husbands, but she is not Pachali, not Draupadi. Yo janati shah pandita, known as scholar. So answer is fountain pen. Answer is a fountain pen. See, Krishnamukhi, it is fountain pen is always coming black, but not Marjari, but it is not a cat. Dvijiva, having 2 tongue. Have you seen any time this fountain pen? उसके आगे के जो पॉइंट होते हैं ना 2 होते हैं. द्विजीवा, न च सर्पिणी, बट नॉट अ फीमेल स्नेक. उसको 2 टंग होती है फीमेल स्नेक को. पच्चभत्री न पांचाली, हैविंग 5 husbands. उसका जो ऊपर का पॉइंट होता है ना उसमें 5 साइड्स होती है. सो यो जानाति श पंडित, देन ऑल्सो नोन एज अ स्कॉलर. सो इट इज अ फाउंटेन पेन. फोर्थ वन, दंतेर्हीन शीला बक्षी, निर्जीवो बहुभाषक, गुणश्योति समृद्धोपि, परपादेन गच्छति. दंतेर्हीन, इट इज हैविंग नॉट टीथ, दांत नहीं है. शीला बक्षी, देन ऑल्सो ईटिंग स्टोन्स. निर्जीवो बहुभाषक, इट इज नॉन लिविंग, देन ऑल्सो स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंटली. गुणश्योति समृद्धि, गुणश्योति समृद्धि means गुणश्योति समृद्धि, that means it is tied with a thread or laces. It is tied with a thread or special type thread or laces. Parpadena gacchati, and moving the stranger's leg. So answer is shoes. Shoes are always दंतेरहीन, मतलब उसके दांत नहीं होते, तीथ नहीं होते. देन ऑल्सो शीला बक्षी, ईटिंग स्टोन्स, उसके नीचे पत्थर आते जाते हैं पैरों के नीचे, शूज के नीचे. निर्जीव बहुभाषक, इट इज नॉन लिविंग, बट व्हेन वी आर वॉकिंग वॉइस इज कमिंग, सो देन ऑल्सो इट इज स्पीकिंग मोर एंड मोर. गुणश्योति समृद्धोपि, इट इज टाइड विथ अ स्ट्रिंग और लेसेस. Parpadena gacchati. It's moving in any of the leg. Anyone's wearing the shoes and moving anywhere. And the last one, Kasturi jayate kashmat. Kohanti karinam kulam. Kim kuryata kataro yuddhe mrugata shihi palayanam. Kasturi jayate. From where we are getting this kasturi? कहाँ से आती है वो? It is coming from the navel of the deer. बहुत स्मेल वाली चीज़ होती है वो, कहीं से नहीं मिलते. It's very tough to get. कोहंती करीणाम कुलम. Who killed the herd of the elephant? Elephant के हर्ड को कौन मार सकता है? A lion. A lion can kill the elephant, herd of the elephant. किम कुर्यात कातरो युद्धे. What does a coward do during the war? It runs away from the war. युद्ध छोड़ के भाग जाता है, एक डरपोक है युद्ध छोड़ के. मृगात सिंह पलायनम. Sometimes it's happen that a lion also afraid from the deer. So whenever deer is coming, lion runs away. I hope all of you understand this chapter properly. So you have to do more and more practice at home. Our second chapter is Vartalapah. Vartalapah, that means conversation. Conversation between two persons are there, Bhavesh and Chetna. They both are talking with each other, and this whole story is given over here. Now, first starting from the Bhavesh. Bhavesh is coming to the this Chetna's house, and from there they are starting. Bhavesh Namaskar. Bhavesh said Namaskar. Chetna Namaskar. Chetna also said Namaskar. Bhavesh Agachatu. Now Bhavesh is coming to the Chetna's house. So Chetna welcoming to the Bhavesh. Bhavesh Agachatu. Welcome Bhavesh. Sarva Kushalam va? Is everything okay? Bhavesh Sarva Kushalam. Yes, everything is okay. Chetna said Upvishatu. Jalam Svikaratu. Please sit. Take the water. Bhavesh Dhanyavad. Bhavesh said to her, thank you. Now Chetna, Chayam coffee va? Do you want tea or coffee? Bhavesh, Kimapi mastu. I don't want anything. Idanim bhojanam avashyakam. Right now I want to take the food. अभी मुझे कुछ खाना है, खाना हो तो दो. Chetna, bhojanam siddhamam eva asti. Yes, the meal is ready, food is ready. Ashana grahanam karotu. Please sit for the lunch. Bhavesha krupaya pariveshayatu. Please serve it. I am too hungry. Please serve it. बहुत भूख लगी, जल्दी दे दो. भोजने किम किम अस्ति. What is there in the food? खाने में क्या है? In the lunch. चेतना. भोजने व्यंजनम अस्ति. In lunch vegetable is there. रोटिका अस्ति. रोटी is there. मोदकः अस्ति. स्वीट बॉल, लड्डू जो बोलते ना, स्वीट बॉल्स आर देयर. अवलेहः अस्ति. पिकल इज देयर, मतलब अचार. ओदनम अस्ति. राइस इज देयर. च दालम अपि. एंड दाल इज ऑल्सो देयर. भावेशः तर्हि शीघ्रं ददातु. देन गिव मी फास्ट. आई एम टू हंग्री. गिव मी फास्ट. चेतना स्वीकरोतु. चेतना इज टेलिंग टू हिम एक्सेप्ट इट. लवणम आवश्यकम वा? डू यू वांट सम सॉल्ट? किसी किसी को आदत होती है ना नमक लेने की. सो चेतना इज आस्किंग टू भावेश, डू यू वांट सम सॉल्ट? भावेश आम ददातु. यस, गिव मी. किच्चिम तक्रम अपि आवश्यकम. आई वांट बटर मिल्क ऑल्सो. चेतना स्वीकरोतु. टेक इट. एकम मोदकम अपि स्वीकरोतु. टेक वन स्वीट बॉल ऑल्सो. एक लड्डू भी ले लो, ऐसे बोलती है. भावेश धन्यवाद. भावेश इज टेलिंग टू हर, सेड टू हर थैंक यू. एकम रोटिकाम अपि ददातु. गिव मी वन रोटी. मुझे एक रोटी दे दो सिर्फ. चेतना अवलेहः. व्हाट अबाउट पिकल? अवलेहः अपि अस्ति. डू यू वांट पिकल? आवश्यकम वा? डू यू वांट पिकल? भावेश मास्तु. नो, आई डोंट वांट. इदानीम ओदनम ददातु. प्लीज गिव मी सम राइस. चेतना स्वीकरोतु. चेतना इज टेलिंग टेक इट. दालम अपि स्वीकरोतु. टेक दाल ऑल्सो. भावेश धन्यवाद. भावेश टेल हर थैंक यू. चेतना अन्यथा किमपि आवश्यकम. व्हाट डू यू वांट मोर? और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? भावेश इदानीं किमपि मास्तु. Now I don't want anything. मम भोजनं समाप्तं. My lunch is over. मैंने पेट भर के खा लिया है. भोजनं रुचिकरम अस्ति. And the lunch is very tasty. Food is very tasty. बहुत टेस्टी खाना था. चेतना से धन्यवाद. Now Chetna is telling to him धन्यवाद. I hope all of you understand this conversation, this chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, Vartalap also. Now you have to do more and more practice at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.